All right, this is it. She's coming down.
Damn!
So this is what we're up to. We've got to pull those two bolts and the very rusted one down here. Change that out. You can see this spring is already moving around. It is broken. That's kind of what started this whole replace the suspension job. Anyhow, let's get to it. So there's the old and there's the new. So you've got to use the top that sits, I guess sits like this. You've got to reuse this. So make sure you take the two off, you put it on the new one, and then you just install. Don't forget, you've got to prime this. Again, 3 to 5 times. I've been doing it about 4 times. Okay, time to get back in. So from what I understand, this goes here. And then you've got to reuse the rubber top hat. Actually, maybe I could do this as one unit. Oh, it doesn't seem right. Now I'm going to get the jack, raise this, seat this inside, and see where we sit. So just give me a second. Okay, so correction. Take this back out. This comes off. See, I make mistakes all the time. Oh my goodness, okay. So this piece sits in here, and then this bolts up on the bottom to hold it in place. So like that, tighten it up, place the spring inside. So they do say to do both sides at the same time, but due to the spring being the springs being broken, the OEM springs being broken, it was easy to do it individually, and because these are lowering springs, it's also much easier. So I will lift this up with the jack, run that bolt in, tighten that, tighten this, tighten, and then we should be good. Permatex. Would you like to sponsor us? This one's brought to you by Permatex. I like to put a little anti-seize on the bolt. That's all. There we go.
all the way through.
And just tighten everything up, including the two at the top. Don't forget those. That one's tight. Now the ones at the top. Tighten those, and then I'll just do the one at the bottom here. I've learnt the hard way. Don't button up that shock until you've got this side sorted. So what I did was the same thing, remove the old shock, the old broken spring, put in the new one on both sides. Then you jack up on one side, put the bolt in, and then come back over to this side and put in the bolt on this side, and we should be finished. Sorry, the gimbal has died, so I'm doing the best that I can for you guys. All right, this is it. She's coming down. All right, so adjustment needs to be made. The front, the driver's front, it's 1.5 fingers. The passenger side is 2 fingers and a little slack, 2 1/4 maybe. That back passenger is 3 fingers, and here I'd say is about 2 1/4 again. So some adjusting needs to take place, obviously, but she's dropped. Man, this thing's gonna be raw. Car's dirty, sorry. Yeah, this is gonna be stanced so nicely. Ooh!
I'm going to feel this tomorrow. My vision is starting to come. It's starting to come. All right. Till next time. I'm out.